Something about this place?
これ何か伝えたいことはありますか？
Can you tell something about this place?
これ何か伝えたいことはありますか？
To the shadow? Here?
この影は、ここで死にましたか？
Enter. Anything. Front.
Mirror front.
Beware.
Beware. Wait, beware of the mirror in front. And one thing, basag yung mga mirror sa CR sa baba. Tapos basag lahat. And he's telling us to beware of the mirror in front. Yes, thank you. Thank you for your warning us. Can you tell us what's in the mirror?
どの見なか教えてもらえますか？
Report. It says report. What do you mean by report?
Gusto ko sana i-confirm kung ano ibig sabihin niya sa report. Pero sa palagay ko, ito ay dahil sa mga paranormal activity na na-report sa lugar na to. At maya-maya lang matapos kong magtanong sa hindi malamang dahilan,
Wait, what's happening to my night vision?
pinagloko yung infrared na night vision ko.
Ito. So yung night vision goes nag-flicker. You see that?
Maya-maya biglang bumalik na siya sa ayos.
So it's back na. Namamatay. So it's okay.
At na mag-switch ako sa kabilang angle.
It's back na. Namamatay.
Kita niyo yun?
Namamatay.
May order dumaan at higit ito ng camera. Hindi namin napansin na may nakuha na pala kami kaya tuloy-tuloy pa rin kami sa
Are you the
pagtatanong.
one that is draining my batteries? Wait, but first thing, what do you mean by report?
Pero yung sagot niya ay hindi na connected sa mga tanong namin.
Foot. Enjoy.
Doesn't make sense. Do you miss this place? What does this place look like for you now?
Sign.
At may mga sumunod pa siyang sinabi na kinatakot talaga namin.
Cycle. Metaphysics. 20 arms. Okay. Fresh. Surprise!